My name is Marilyn Patton, and I came to Dr. Raj about 5 weeks ago with a very serious neck problem. I was having terrible migraines, visual migraines, not the headache, but the eyes lights. And then I couldn't read after that, and I was getting very scared. And I saw Dr. Raj's advertisement and thought I'd give it a try. I have been used to having chiropractic, but not Dr. Raj's technique. I swear by it. One adjustment, and I was good, better. And I just am so thrilled. I can get out of bed quicker in the morning. I'm 86 years old and I'm living alone. And I feel as if I am just so blessed having found Dr. Raj and his techniques. And I thank him kindly, and I've praised him highly, and I believe in him. And I thank you for listening to me.